Right, RBC, rather influential bank, have got 23 high conviction growth stocks for market beating returns. That could top 90%. Those are the names of the stocks. Let's go through them in detail and see if any are on my approved filtered list. By the way, don't forget to follow, like, share, repost, comment, subscribe, and look at the links in my bio and campaignforamillion.com if you like this. So let's kick off. 98.7% in the case of Pubmatic, actually a fascinating company, is this one. Price target, they say, is $27. And so you're looking at basically getting 100% return according to them. Sonova Energy International is another one that's on their list. Surgery Partners, Goosehead Insurance, 78% is what they're seeing there. 78% for Sweet Green. Consumer discretionary space, which is unusual given that consumer discretionary is likely to take a bit of a hitting. I'll move myself out of the way slightly. On this one, healthcare I'd expect more of. I've seen quite a few healthcare ones as well. Maravai Life Sciences, 64% they've got there, 62% Avalon Health. You'll want to do more research than obviously this. Guidewire Software, and I'm also going to tell you which are on my approved filtered list in a moment. Flywire, sorry, I don't know when my assistants missed some of that, but you can assume it's about 58%. 58% on Sarepta Therapeutics. Coursera, consumer discretionary, 57% they see going on that one. Another healthcare one, 50% Ranger Oil, R1 RCM, Varonis Systems. And she's missed that one again. 39% was the one before and 29's after, so it's going to be between those two numbers. Okay, Magnite, Intracellular Therapeutics, Healthcare, 27% on that one, and so on and so forth. I'm afraid none were on my approved filtered list. What is my approved filtered list? Well, we go through 10,000 stocks. We go through valuation, growth, income, cash flow, momentum, and none of those were on my list when we filtered down, so I might have stronger guidelines than RBC do. But I think it's important anyway for you to know about such companies. Like I said, have a look at the campaignforamillion.com to get downloads, free downloads of my books, free internships, course materials, all for free. And you'll find free videos as well. Like, share, subscribe, repost, do all of those things as I promote my campaign to teach 1 million people for free how to be better at investing. Thank you very much.